The Fair Trade Commission's decision to levy a record fine of 140 billion won $102 million on Coupang has ignited debates about the true role of online retailers in Korea. Coupang, a major online retailer, operates both as an intermediary between sellers and buyers and as a direct seller of its own label products on its platform. Coupang received the highest fine ever imposed by the antitrust watchdog for manipulating search rankings and using its staff to write reviews promoting its private label products. The FTC considered Coupang's dual role as a crucial factor in this case, whereas Coupang argued that this dual role should not be a matter of concern, stated a lawyer from a prominent law firm in Seoul. Coupang has argued that their private label products increase consumer options for more affordable goods. However, the FTC maintains that manipulating algorithms through product reviews is a significant issue that justifies sanctions, regardless of whether the products belong to Coupang. Coupang, on the other hand, claimed that decisions on product displays fall within the distributor's rights and announced its intention to appeal the FTC's sanctions. Legal experts have voiced support for Coupang, criticizing the regulation as hasty and unfair due to the ambiguity surrounding the legality of the company's sales practices. The fines seem excessively high, especially given the uncertainty about whether any laws were actually broken, said Choi Jun-sun, professor emeritus. Moreover, the authorities have yet to prove that the alleged algorithm manipulation harmed customer benefits. The FTC referenced a comparable case from an overseas authority to justify its recent regulation against Coupang. The watchdog noted that in 2022, the European Union's competition authority mandated Amazon to rectify a similar sales practice. However, an expert argued that it is inappropriate to apply this case to Korea in the same way. The EU has taken a negative stance towards global big tech firms, said Choi. It doesn't make sense for the Korean Antitrust Authority to adopt the same approach, especially since the Coupang case is not widely regarded as a clear violation of local laws. Another concern is whether Coupang's private label products genuinely benefit the small and medium-sized companies that manufacture them, contributing to a virtuous market cycle. An industry official, who wished to remain anonymous, noted that while Coupang claims its private label products create opportunities for SMEs, it is generally understood that these manufacturers do not significantly profit due to the low profit margins associated with private label products. In 2020, the FTC fined search engine portal Naver 26.7 billion won for manipulating its search algorithm to prioritize its services such as Smart Store and Naver TV. Naver appealed the decision, but the Seoul High Court ruled in favor of the FTC in December 2022. Naver has since escalated the case to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Coupang has warned that if they are prohibited from freely promoting and selling their rocket delivery products, they may need to scale back or discontinue the rocket delivery service. Coupang argued that upholding the FTC's decision would make all direct purchase services, including rocket delivery, unsustainable in Korea. This statement has drawn criticism from some consumers, who perceive it as a threat to suspend rocket delivery, which is Coupang's key competitive advantage.